Hey y'all, we got another eBay order today. This one here is going to a Dennis J at Oxford, North Carolina. It is a Holley power valve. About couldn't read it there for a minute. Mr. Dennis, we appreciate your order. Beth, that's our main sticker, our main channel, Dixie Customs. And Beth wrote you a note on the back side of it. So we're going to put that in your order with your power valve. Get it all taped up and stuck in here. Hope you get your project back underway. Put a little extra protective cover over it. That way it wouldn't get crushed in transit. That way it's protected a little bit anyhow. So we're going to stick this in here for you. And like I said, we do appreciate your order. Appreciate your business. If you don't mind, check out our channel. It helps both businesses, the channel and this, grow. Every little bit helps. So we do appreciate what you did thus far. We can get this undone. Got some kind of glue on it, some kind of wax stuff on it now. That's fine. We're going to put some tape on it too. Now I forgot to put sticker in it. Your sticker's going to be enclosed inside the envelope itself. So if you see this, that's where your sticker is. And we'll get it taped up and sent to you. This on this side so the scanner can read it better. I'll have to retire from this and give it to somebody else. Alright, there you go, sir. There's your package. We'll get it sent off in the mail to you Monday, so you should get it by the end of the week. So thanks for your order.